Welcome back. This is Linda from the Hamilton Public Library, and today we will be making a button wreath ornament. You can see here that I have made one in different shades of green and another in different shades of purple. To make this craft, you will need a piece of cardboard cut into a circle about 4 inches in diameter with a 2-inch circle in the middle. You'll need a piece of ribbon that you will glue to the back of the ornament. And you will need buttons in a color of your choice. So you're going to need between 60 to 70 buttons, maybe more depending on how you want it to look. And you can buy bags of buttons at thrift stores or dollar stores. You'll also need some embellishments if you'd like. These are just mini sparkly mini cotton balls, or you can buy other mini items at the dollar store, mini poinsettias, bows, whatever you'd like. And of course, you're going to need some hot glue. It works best on the buttons. So we're going to begin by gluing the ribbon to the back of the cardboard. And you're going to add a bit of glue, attach the ribbon, fold the ribbon in half and glue it again. If you would prefer not to use a ribbon, you could use the hooks that come with, that you use to hang your ornaments on your tree, or floral wire, whatever you prefer. Or you could actually just, hang it through the hole in the middle of the wreath. So now that we have the ribbon attached, we're going to start adding the buttons. So first I like to kind of map out how I'm going to glue the buttons a little bit at a time. This gives you an idea of how they're going to fit, and you want them to go over the edge slightly so that you don't see the edge once it's done. You're not going to be able to cover the complete wreath, so you are going to see some white spots. If that bothers you, you can always paint your cardboard the color that you're going to be using. For example, if I wanted to paint it purple because I'm using purple buttons, you could do that. So we are going to make a purple wreath today because I love the color purple, and I think it looks good with red and gold, when you're decorating. So you're just going to do one at a time, add a bit of glue and attach the buttons. And like I said, I always try out a few of the buttons first to see if I like it there, and then I add the glue. And you can use different shades of the same color, so different shades of purple, different shades of red. You can use 2 colors, red and white. You could use 3 colors, or you can make it multicolor. It's totally up to you. And to cover some of the white spots that you might see, if 2 buttons leave a little bit of a gap, you're going to just glue a button on top. So this is why it's important to use hot glue. Hot glue will hold the 2 buttons together much better than white glue. So you can see here I've just placed one on top to hide that white gap. So now we're going to just continue gluing the buttons on. So you can see that I've completed the wreath, and I'm just adding a few small buttons near the end. So I have about 2 layers on here, and I've just kind of added buttons where I could see, empty spots, just to fill it in a bit. And the next thing we're going to do is add the embellishments, if you'd like. So I have some of the sparkly ones here. I'm going to try out the green and the white. I think I like the white better. So these you'll just gently glue them on. Be careful because you can burn yourself. They're very small. You can also do something like 3 red ones together to make it look like berries. That would look great on the green wreath actually. But I think I'm gonna go with the white. So we're just gonna place a few around, glue them on. And hopefully that will look cute. So and the last thing I want to do is maybe add a small bow to the top. You can just make one out of some ribbon, glue it together, and then add it to the top. You don't have to do this. I just thought it might look cute. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you will check out my other videos on this channel, my other craft videos that I have, and I hope you enjoyed making this button wreath.